Shri Parashakti Vidyala CBSE Class 7th Subject English.
Good morning, my dear students. In this class, we are going to see about writing part. Already we have completed 5 composition in your English composition note. Hope you all completed and studied that. In this class, we are going to write exercise number 6 and 7. That means paragraph writing and article writing. So complete the front page and now all of you take your composition note and start writing. Exercise number 6, paragraph writing. The topic of paragraph is value of discipline in life. So refer page number 129 in your grammar book. Write the heading. Write a paragraph on the topic of value of discipline in life. Discipline is necessary in all walks of life. Any house without discipline will be in chores. A teacher can't teach if students don't maintain discipline in the class. The head of a family won't be able to run the household if its members don't maintain discipline. The members of an assembly must observe discipline if they are to get anything done. No office can function without discipline. In fact, discipline is necessary in every field of our society. Otherwise, there is bound to be confusion, disorder, and truth. No work of progress is possible without discipline. Simple topic only. So you can write your own point also in the examination, during the examination. Okay. So you must write the important value of discipline. Write exercise number 6 in your compost note. Now turn next page. Exercise number 7, article writing. Write the heading and date. First, left side, write the question. Water is one of the most precious gift of nature, but it is unfortunate that we don't understand its worth and overexploit it. This resource for our selfish purposes. It is a matter of serious attention that water must be conserved at all costs. Write an article for your school magazine urging the fellow students to save water. You are Mohit or Mohita. Okay. So write the question in the left side. Now the right side, write the heading article. Save water, save life by Mohit. If you are a girl, you write Mohita. Water is that amida which daily sustains our life on the earth. We need water for daily use at home and for agriculture. Drinking water is, however, limited. We get it mainly from the clouds and glaciers. If this resource is used wisely, then there will be no problem. But unfortunately, it is being overexploited. Our ever increasing population has created scarcity of water. It is predicted that by 2025, nearly 2 billion people will live in absolute water scarcity. This is a signal to be cautious enough in the use of water. Every drop of water is precious and it must not go in vain. Water shortage is a grim reality for the cities as well as villages. We need to wake up to it now, then be sorry later. We must think about the ways to conserve this precious resource. We must conserve water in bonds and tanks. We should be rational towards using it. We should try our best to use water casually for our sale. If we continue to use it restlessly, we will have to face dire consequences. By saving water, we will save ourselves. So that's all, my dear students. Complete exercise number 6 and 7 in your composition note and start study this. Okay. Thank you.